In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Photos account. Let's get started with the mobile method for iPhone, iPad, and Android users. If you already have a Google account, the first step is to download and open the Google Photos app. You can find it in your device's App Store. Once it is downloaded, tap on the app icon to open it. This step is crucial because the Google Photos app is where you will manage all your photos and videos. You will see a welcoming screen, which means you are on the right track. Next, you will need to sign in with your Google account. On the login screen, enter your email and password associated with your Google account. This is important because your Google account is what enables you to access all the features of Google Photos. After entering your credentials, tap on the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will successfully log into the app. Remember, this step secures your photos and videos in your Google Photos library. Once you are signed in, you may see an option that says Turn on Backup. This step is optional, but I highly recommend tapping it if you want to automatically save your photos and videos to the cloud. When backup is enabled, your memories are safely stored and can be accessed from any device. This feature is particularly helpful if you lose your phone or want to free up storage space. After you tap to turn on backup, you will be guided through settings to customize your backup preferences. Now your Google Photos library is ready to use. You will see your photos and videos begin to upload if you enabled backup. This means you can start organizing, sharing, and enjoying your media without worry. Knowing your content is backed up gives you peace of mind. Moving on to users who do not have a Google account yet, the process starts with opening the Google Photos app. Upon opening the app, you will see a prompt that says Create Account. Tap this option to begin the account creation process. This step is necessary because without a Google account, you cannot access Google Photos. After tapping Create Account, follow the prompts provided on the screen to create your Google account. You will need to enter details such as your name, desired email address, and password. Pay attention to the password requirements to ensure your account remains secure. This step is vital as it establishes your identity within Google's ecosystem. Once you complete the sign-up process, you will be directed to the Google Photos app. Here, you can sign in with your newly created Google account. It is important to remember your login credentials as you will need them for future access. After signing in, you will have the option to turn on backup to automatically save your photos and videos. Enabling this feature ensures that your precious memories are safe in the cloud. Now let's move on to the web method for Windows, Mac, and Chromebook users. If you already have a Google account, the first step is to open Google Photos in your web browser. Type in the URL and hit Enter. This action brings you to the Google Photos homepage where you can manage and view your media. Next, sign in with your Google account by entering your email and password. This process is similar to the mobile sign-in. Once you log in, your Google Photos library is ready to use. You will immediately see your photos and videos organized, allowing you to access and manage them efficiently. If you do not have a Google account yet, you will need to go to the Google Account sign-up page. Click on Create Account and follow the prompts to create a new Google account. This step is essential because it connects you to all of Google's services, including Google Photos. Finally, after creating your Google account, open Google Photos again and sign in with your new account. You are now set to explore and use Google Photos to its fullest potential. Congratulations on setting up your Google Photos account. You are now ready to back up and cherish your memories.